from your end because you do it from it will not what if you are doing from your end. Let me do it from my end. Start recording. Okay. Because like a video will not come again. Okay. Now I think we were discussing about this topic called what do we call integrity constraint. Okay, and now
Yes.
we'll see in detail. Okay, and now we'll see in detail what is required for this one is data control language. Okay, how exactly we'll try to work in data control language. What is there in data control language? Creating what? A different user. Okay, creating a different user. Okay, slash prolog. Okay, connect sys as sys dva sys system. Okay. Now you see here I have already connected. I want to create what exactly? I wanted to create a different users. Okay, how I will try to create a different user. First thing what exactly I have to do now? I have to create a password. How I will try to create, sorry, I have to create a users. Okay, how I will create a users here? I am creating a new user. Okay, create user. Okay, what is your name? You said your name?
Yashwin.
Uh, okay. Just one. One second. Let me check your name. 1 second. Give me like a second. Yashwin. Yeah. Why is Yashwin? So let's just create a username called Yashwin. Okay.
Okay.
User YSWIN Yashwin. Okay. Identified by I'm giving a password. By a password. For example, I'm giving a small password called cat. Okay. Now
Okay.
I'm just clicking like this. User got created. Okay. Once the user
Okay.
get created, I have to do what exactly? I have to give the access, right? Resources, resources. Okay. Resource. Sorry. Before that, I have to grant the okay. Grant. Okay. Connect. Okay. I have to click here. Connect. Grant connect, comma resource. resource. Resource to. What is that? The name called resource to. What is your name? Yeshwin.
Yeah.
YESWIN.
Yeah.
Yeshwin. Grant connect resource to Yeshwin. Okay. Enter. Grant got successful. Okay. Once the grant got successful, what exactly you will do now? Now you will see connect. Yeshwin slash cat. Okay.
Okay.
Show user. The table what we have created, can you able to see in the user? No, right? We can't able to
No.
see the table. Okay, if I click here like this, select star from what was the table which you have created previously? IKEA, right?
Okay. Yeah.
IKEA to IKEA, for example. Okay, can you view the table? No,
No.
but you are going to the sysdba, connect sys as sysdba systm system. You can able to view the table now. Now you can able to view this table
Yeah.
because now you are in this Yashwin user. Can you able to create the table? No, right?
No.
You cannot able to create that table. Now you see here what will happen now is suppose you are you want to use this table. How you will use this table? You have to get that access. Who will give the access? DBA people will have to give the normal user the access, right?
Yeah.
DBA guy should have to give you the access to use this table. Otherwise, you cannot able to use this. That topic is called what? Privilege. Okay.
What? Privilege.
Privilege. Privilege.
Privilege.
PRI.
Okay.
Yes, privilege. So
Okay.
nothing but DBA should have to give you a privilege to use that table. How
Mm.
exactly you will try to go in the table? Now I am in the DBA. I am giving the access to your table, IKEA table. To who? To this Yashwin user. So exactly how I will do it, you see it now. I am giving the access. Grant. Okay. Grant all. Okay. On. Which table was that? IKEA, right? IKEA was
Yeah.
the table. I am giving it to who? One second. Giving it to who? Giving it to Yashwin, right? YESHWIN Yashwin. Okay. Giving it to Yashwin user.
Okay.
Okay. I think I have given Yashwin.
No.
YESWIN.
No.
I didn't
H
give
is not there.
Yashwin. Okay. Yashwin. Okay. I have given to Yashwin. Now let's see. I am clicking here like this. Okay. Once I just click here like this, grant succeeded. That means all the grant I got. Read, write, execute, whatever the grant access, I got all the access.
Okay.
Now, what I go to your user, still I can able to view a table you see here now. Okay, connection, what ESPN, YSWIN, ESPN / EAT cat. Okay, now
Okay.
you see, if I want to use the ICAT table, how I will use this ICAT table? I want to see the first name. Suppose if I want to see the first name from the ICAT table, how I will see it? In this table, I cannot able to view any things, right? Now I can
Yeah.
show you how we will view it. Select first name. For select first name. Okay, where exactly what I want to select? Select first name
IKEA.
from table name what? IKEA. IKEA
IKEA.
will not type it. Says what IKEA. This is what we will type. Because we are bringing the table from the sys, right?
Yeah.
Sys dot IKEA like this. Can I able to get the table?
Yeah. Yes.
Now you can able to do the delete operation also. Now revoking the access. How you will make the access? See, today I showed you how to create the user. Okay, either one user you can create, or else if you want to create the one more user, you can create the one more user. Okay.
We can give
Now,
even partial access also.
what you said?
We can
You
give
can able
even
to.
partial access, like only read only.
Yes. Read only, because I gave all, right? I gave here all. In place of all, you can give read also. Read on IKEA.
Okay.
Write on IKEA. I gave all access, all 14 access.
Okay.
All means read, write, execute, update, delete, alter, all commands.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want to revoke the access. Revoke means removing the access. In order to remove, again I have to go where? Connect this as sys DBA. Okay, SYSTM system. Now you see here what exactly I am coming back to that one. Now once I coming back to that one, what exactly I am trying to do now? I am trying to revoke the access, completely revoking the access. Revoking was REVOKE. Revoke. What I am doing now? Revoke all on. What I am doing now on? Which table I want to do it? IKEA table, right?
IKEA.
IKEA. Revoke IKEA. From which table you want to remove? See, here we put two. Here you are putting from which table?
Okay.
From the
Yes.
table name of what? Sorry, from the, what do we call it? The
Username. Yeah.
UIN? Yes. Okay. Now you see here like this, I click. Revoke successful. Now if I wanted to go and connect sys as sys DBA like this, sorry, one second. Connect sys as sys DBA. Okay. SYTM system. Okay. Now, let me go to, I think it's already there in the sys DBA. Okay, I'm going to this, what do we call it? Like Yashwin user. Connect Yashwin / CAT cat. Okay, go user. I am checking whether the table is getting reflecting or not. Table, right? What we have created, is the table coming or not? I want to see it again. Right? This table, which is coming before.
Yeah.
Now I want to check whether the table is got revoked or not. I'm checking now. Table got revoked. Access revoked. Access got completely revoked.
Revoked.
So this is what the topic we have done today. And one more topic we'll see, that is called views. Okay, views is mainly used for database security. Table and columns will be there, right? Table and columns will be hide. How we will hide the tables and column? Suppose in the company they have this table. Select star from, I think it will not come here. We have to go to the sys user. Okay, connect sys as sys DBA SYSTM. Now you see here. Okay, select star from, for example, if I put it here. From IKEA. What will happen now if I put it like this here? Complete table will come. I don't want anybody to see the salary. I want people to see the ID and the first name. No way related to the people with the salary. Other people, other users. I'm creating one more user. What user I will create? Let's create one more user name call. For example, any name I will create any user. Let's create any user. Okay. Create. What exactly? Create new user means user. Any create name. For example, we are putting any name, we can put Jack. Okay. Jack. For example, I'm creating one user name called Jack. Okay. Identified. Okay. Identified by any password I can give. Okay. Identified with any password with, let's take any password, we can make it as wood. Okay. Wood, we will give it like this. Okay. Now I'm just clicking here like this here, enter. Password we gave the wood. Now what I'm trying to do now, once I gave this password, now I have to click grant the access. Okay. Again, I'm putting here grant. What I'm doing now here, grant connect, comma, resources, because most of the people will forget this step and then they will think, why is it not coming like this? Okay, important step, grant connect resource to what? Resource to which? Resource to Jack, right?
Yeah.
Jack needs to
Yeah.
get all things, right? JACK, Jack. Now we'll get all the details. Jack got connected. Now if I push connect, Jack, password is what? WOD word. Okay. Now connect this as, sorry, now you see show user. Okay, Jack. User is Jack. Now,
Okay.
once the user is became Jack now, what you're trying to do now? This table, I am applying the concept called view. However, how I will apply the concept called view? There are two types of view. Like simple view and a complex view. Okay, simple view
Okay.
we will see it because you don't require that much in security. Only simple view we will see here. Okay,
Okay.
how do we try to create the simple view? Okay, but first in order to create a view, we have to just create a view. Okay, how you will try to, first thing you will try to create the view. Let's create one view. I am creating a view. Create what? View name. Okay, what the view name I try to create? For example, I am creating a view name called John. Okay, John, I am trying to create a view name as, okay, what I'm trying to do, suppose if I want to get here ID and the first name only, I don't want anybody to see it like this. Only for the John, I want ID and the first name. So I'm
Okay.
clicking like this. Okay, select ID, comma, F name. From which table I want to get it? From our IKEA table. No one
Okay.
should able to see that one. Only they should have to see what ID and the first name. Only they have to see. They don't have to see any other thing. Now I just click it like this. Sorry, 1 second. IKEA table or view does not exist. Where okay, sorry, I think we have to go to this sys user now. Okay, sys DBA. Okay, connect this as sys DBA. Okay, SYSTM system. I have to create the view on that one. Okay, now I will click like this. Already used. Okay, I think it's or John. The name called John have already been used. Let's just take the other names. Okay, Johnny. Okay, I'm clicking the name called Johnny. Okay, view created. Okay, what happened exactly? View created. Now what I'm doing now? Again, I am giving all the access to who? To Johnny. Okay, how I'm giving?
So,
Grant all. What I'm doing now? Grant all on Johnny, JONHY, Johnny to which table, which thing you
IKEA.
want to give it now? To, for example, you want to give it to who? To a table which you, sorry, to a user which we have created a Jack. For the Jack user you are giving, okay? You are not
Okay.
giving for your name, you are giving only for Jack. Jack can able
Yeah.
to only use this table. Jack should not be able to use any other table, okay? Now
Okay.
for the Jack you are giving only this access. Grant succeeded. Now you are going onto the Jack table, okay? Connect Jack slash WOD word. Okay, connected now, right? Show
Okay.
user. What was the show user now? User is Jack. I wanted to see whatever is there in the table. Select star from sys.jo. What is the view name we have created? Johnny is the view name which we have created, right? The view name
Okay. Okay.
Johnny dot Johnny. That's it. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is how we can able to update the table also. We can not only do that one, we can able to update. See, because we have given all the access, update, delete, modify. If I do the update like this, update space. What I'm doing now, sys.johny, Johnny set. Okay. What I'm trying to do now, for example, I want to change any value. Okay, I can simply able to change the any value. I can able to change the ID also. I can able to change the password also. For example, if I wanted to change the ID, okay, ID equal to 1223. Sorry, ID equal to for example, let's take a name now. Okay, F name equal to, for example, I'm taking the Raj name as Raju. Okay, Raju I'm
Mm.
taking as, where ID equals to, okay, ID equals to what I'm putting here? 1, 2 to 7. 1 row.